Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to set time on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3.
Method 1. Sync time automatically via phone. Step 1. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your connected phone. Step 2. Tap on Galaxy Fit 3, Watch Settings, General Date and Time. Step 3. Turn on Sync with Phone or Set Automatically. Step 4. Make sure your phone's date, time, and Timezone are correct. The Fit 3 will match automatically. Method 2. Adjust time manually. Step 1. On the Galaxy Fit 3, swipe down and go to Settings, General, Date, and Time. Step 2. Turn off Set Automatically. Step 3. Tap Set Time and Set Date, then adjust manually. Step 4. Confirm changes and return to the main screen. Your time will update instantly.